Namaste everyone. Hygiene means to clean yourself, maintain cleanliness in your house and around your environment. First, we learn about cleanliness from our parents. They teach us how to clean your hands, your teeth, and many more things. As schooling starts, we also learn many things from our teacher. It should be from childhood because once habit develop, it will more time to change into another habit. Cleanness does not mean that you should not belong to mitti, but schedule yourself for various things. If you are walking on ground or in garden, prefer to walk without slipper. After walking, you can clean and wear slipper. The feet should be ground to earth, but it doesn't mean that every time you are in mitti or you are in contact of soil. In clean surface or floor, you can be without slipper. Gradually, you have to develop tolerance of body with season. With age, it's difficult for physical body unless you are practicing since long time. You should be without slipper in puja room, but it doesn't mean that you have to walk on road without slipper. In house, everyone focus on to maintain drawing room, but kitchen, puja room and toilet are very important part of the house that should be cleaned properly. In a school, houses, offices, malls, there are many toilets. If you maintain cleanness daily, it will not be too hard to clean after so many days. You are well dressed, but behind good dress and good food on dining table, how it prepared inside kitchen, that is very important. Person are not clean but use deo or fragrance. There are various aspects of cleanness, discussing few here. On highway there is a poor condition of toilets, otherwise you have to choose good one to stay during your journey. In school, teachers are teaching children but not educating boys and girls how to use toilets, how to maintain cleanliness and hygiene around yourself. Every worker is interested in money. On behalf of salary or money, you can hire person for cleanness. But sometime worker performance are not up to the mark. If you will say anything, they will leave the job. Few persons are good, follow instruction. I know food cook at high temperature, but it does not mean that raw material should not be cleaned properly. In ancient time, I observed persons sit on ground having food on a small chowki and never waste food and also have food from own thali. Nowadays, a fashion of sharing, eating together using used hand, not emphasizing to follow old method but can maintain or make balance between essence of old methodology with new development. There is a fashion or advancement of using two kinds of toilet. Indian toilet has many advantages, but nowadays most of the person prefer western toilet. They want to use only, not interested to left clean for others use. Water is very important. If water is not there in hostels, schools and many more places, how it will maintain clean? Well dress is not enough. How much you are clean, that is very important. Repeated use of clothes and sharing with others, many things should be changed. Cleanliness on your study table, arrangement inside almirah and cupboard, thing inside the kitchen and many more things is very important. For all these, only one person should not be responsible. Every member of the house should cooperate and have to take responsibility, homely or publicly. Good energies are always welcome in cleaned environment. Worshipping and meditation is not enough. Who is doing this? Very important. In which environment or in what condition and with which kinds of thoughts. Cleanness is very important, like cleaned utensil. I am reading the few lines from the book At the Feet of the Master. The body is your animal, the horse upon which you ride. Therefore, you must treat it well and take good care of it. You must not overwork it. You must feed it properly on pure food and drink only, and keep it strictly clean always, even from the minutest speck of dirt. For without a perfectly clean and healthy body, you cannot do the arduous work of preparation. You cannot bear its ceaseless strain, but it must always be you who control that body, not it that controls you. God has a plan for everyone. That plan is evolution. God is wisdom as well as love. And the more wisdom you have, the more you can manifest Him. Thank you so much.